to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply flip your video in CapCut video editing app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and close this particular project tab. So I'm going to click on this plus sign right here. Close this project tab. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on new video to import a new project. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select a particular video I would like to use for this. So I'm going to go ahead now and use this particular video clip right here. So I'm going to select the clip and click on add. Just like so. So you can see the video right here. Okay. Just like so. Now, if I want to flip this particular video and do a proper editing to this particular video, so like for instance, I want to cut some part of the video from this side right here. I can decide to click on here and split, and then decide to click on the beginning of the video and then click on delete or trash icon right here. Boom. Now let's play the video. Now this particular video right here, I want to simply flip it. So for that, go ahead and stop the video. And the next thing you want to do right here, I'm going to select on the video again, split. I'm going to click on this last part. I'll make sure I click on delete icon right here again. Boom. So it has been fully deleted. Now we want to flip this particular video right here. So how do we do that? So next thing you want to do right here, so go ahead and make sure the video is selected. And the next thing you want to do is to swipe this way. And then you want to make sure you continue to swipe this way, continue to swipe this way, continue to swipe, continue to swipe, continue to swipe, continue to swipe until you get to transform right here. So go ahead and click on transform, and then it's going to take you right here. Then you have flip or mirror right here, so you can easily flip the video in different directions. So if you click on the flip right here or mirror, then it's going to give you a kind of result like this. So if you are satisfied with the result, then you are good to go. It's that simple. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to simply click on the environment of the video right here, then you back to the editing tab right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.